Today we're making a creamy avocado salad. This salad is also super heart healthy. The main ingredients are cucumber, tomatoes, onions, sardines, carrots, garlic, and avocados. You'll also need lettuce. Scrape the cucumbers. And now cut the cucumber. Put it into a separate bowl. Get your carrots and wash them. Cut your carrots into tiny pieces. Put your carrots into your bowl. Dice your onion. Mince your garlic. Then add it into your bowl. Peel and dice your avocado. Make sure to keep a little bit to the side to make a sauce. Add your leftover avocado into a blender. Along with some garlic, some Greek yogurt, and onions. You can also add some sardine liquid if you like. And blend it all together. Chop up your lettuce. Dice your tomatoes. And add up all your vegetables and ingredients into a large bowl. Don't forget your sardines. Add your sauce. And mix everything evenly. Add some vinegar if you'd like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to press that big red subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.